Hello everyone, it's 2021 and I'm back stronger, better and clearer. So 2020 has been hell of a ride, isn't it? But it's a good thing that we got a lot of time to spend with our families, and I personally got a lot of time to gather my courage to start my own podcast. I admit that I didn't put a lot of thoughts before starting it. I was like, chalo shuru kar lete hain, and let's see what happens. But I've never thought of fixing my niche of the podcast. And I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm pretty sure that I'll find one, and someday, I don't know when, but until and unless I fixate it, I'll keep adding on new series. I'll keep sharing whatever pops into my mind and whatever I feel that जिससे आप लोगों को advantage मिल सके. So yes, this is a new series that I'm going to start this year, along with the previous guest shows definitely, because I don't want to stop that. And so for now, there's a series. In the series, I'll be sharing with you about all my habits or things that I've already inculcated or going to inculcate for a better lifestyle. And I'll share with you all the life hacks that have saved me at times. Also talk about qualities that I have embraced to become a better person. And that's the least that we can do and give back to our community or our tribe, So it's true that we can only grow with time. I decided, why not grow together? So on my podcast today, I'll be sharing with you about menstrual hygiene and hacks. Yes, it's a very cliche topic, but today I especially want my men to hear this out more than my ladies, because I want the next time when a girl or your sister or daughter comes running confused to you, I don't want you to give them a clueless look and confuse them even more. Okay, I want you to know things that can actually help them, if not fully, at least a bit. I want you to have answers to these problems as well. And for my ladies, the way you take care of your skin and follow all those skin regime, I think you should also follow menstrual regime as well. So stay tuned to know more. You are listening to Yours Truly by Ananya. Point number 1. Ladies, keep a stock of sanitary napkins well in advance for the upcoming month. And throw in 2 or 3 pads in your office bag and purse as well. Carry it every time you step out of the house, because you might help someone else as well. So we need to be ready for the disaster control. Okay, I know people won't mind and people are quite open about all these things, but the damage control के लिए तो हमें ये सब पकड़ना पड़ेगा. So before you step out, remember to have pads in your purse. And for my men, it'll be even sweeter if you remember your darling's period days and make sure she carries her napkins before you step out of the house for a date, just in case she forgets. You can also offer her to buy it for her some months, because it's quite costly, I would say. Like utna bhi inexpensive nahi hai, because of the fact that there are a lot of different varieties available, and I know men get confused with what to buy and what not to buy. So for them, there are different sizes of pads actually. There are normal pads, XL pads, double XL, triple XL, and there are different kind of companies coming up. So some actually love a particular company. Like personally, a lot of girls around like Whisper more than Stay Free and vice versa, whatever it is. So ask her before buying it. And it matters because every girl has a different flow, and hence no one size can fit everyone, just like our bras. So throw in a dark chocolate and your girl will love it. So point number 2, ladies, start buying panty liners. It's a savior. And when I say you savior, trust me on this, because I have been using it for 4 years and I love it because it takes care of the hygiene and everything. These are miniature versions of pads, not equivalent to pads at all. These are quite seamless and you can wear it every day comfortably without even letting yourself feel uncomfortable. These comes in handy on those days when you have discharges, and also during those days जब आपका period date pass आ रहा हो and you are skeptical about कि I may or may not get a period. So just wear it and go outside and chill with your girlfriends, because I know what it is, like what goes into your mind whenever you always keep thinking about periods. Okay, so wear it, and wear it during your long journeys as well, because this takes care of the hygiene with the amount of or with the number of public toilets that you'll be using. Change it every 4 to 5 hours, and these are available in variant sizes as well, but it's not equivalent to pad. So personally, whatever I like, I will share it with you. I like the ones from Bella. Those are comparatively bigger than the usual ones, and I also love the Whisper one. So Whisper one comes in small packets which you can throw in into your purse and then carry. Bella ones are open, so you can use it in your home or whenever you are there in your locality, so you can use that. It's quite inexpensive, and I think everyone should have a packet of that. So you can order from Amazon or Nykaa as well if it's not available in your nearby stores. Okay, so now let's come to point number 3. ये problem सबको होता होगा, I know. Okay, let me start this. Do you still get stains even if you wear a triple XL and all night long wale pads? But I know the problem. I know that you cannot be comfortable even if you wear a triple XL. So we all have been there. Personally, there's a small hack that I do, and I think वो बहुत काम आया है मेरा. So what I do is I take 2 pads. One is the regular one that you use definitely, जो आपके comfort के हिसाब से आप पहनते हो, and another one, take a smaller one, जो Stay Free के जो 20 रुपए के आते हैं छोटे pads, regular pads. Take that without the wings one definitely. Then what I do is I attach the regular one normally with my panties, the way that you actually put it, and take the smaller one and attach it horizontally towards the end of your regular pad, so that both together forms a T shape. Okay? And this will secure your pad and keep it in place. And yeah, so you can be all comfortable and relaxed and not worry about stains. Definitely, like this has worked for me, and I think this can be a great savior for you as well. Now we come to point number 4. Remember to change your tampons and pads every 5 to 6 hours. Like, I know people forget, I don't know how, but yes, even if you don't have a heavy flow or anything, remember to change it, because at the end of the day, these are waste products of our body. This contains bacteria, and you must understand like how important it is to maintain the hygiene. So don't don't fall for those taglines जहाँ पे लिखता है कि wear your pad and forget for 12 घंटा. That's not how it works, and yeah, please don't fall for it. It's a humble request. So if you do not change your pads frequently, you're more prone to develop rashes and also vaginal yeast infections with the side effects of bad odor, and this can also create a lot of other uterus infections as well. बहुत गंदे repercussions होते हैं इसके. So try not wearing it whenever possible, and even if you're wearing it, change it every 5 to 6 hours, be it your tampons, be it your pads, or be it your panty liners. So now we are at the last point number 5, but a very, very important one. The problem of disposal of pads, I have seen a lot of ladies, they just throw it likewise, and they don't properly dispose it. So the problem of disposal is something that plagues our society at large. With no idea how to dispose the sanitary napkins, most women actually throw them in garbage, and which gets mixed with the dry, wet, and other hazardous waste. This exposed sanitary napkin and actually cause serious health concerns like hepatitis B to the waste collector. And not washing your hands also before changing and after changing the sanitary napkin can also cause yeast infections and hepatitis B. So even if you're just hanging around and watching TV all day long, it's very important that you wash your hands before wearing a pad and after doing it. So yeah, these are certain points that I felt I should share it with you guys. And yeah, this is just part one, because there are a lot of other things to discuss. Maybe in the upcoming episodes I will discuss about my experience with tampons and menstrual cups, because those are more sustainable ways, and these are better than pads, definitely. So I'll share my personal experiences, because no one like एक episode में तो ये सब complete नहीं होने वाला था. I didn't want to bog you down पूरा 20 minute तक का. So that's the reason why I wanted to keep it short, and I'll come up with another episode on this as well. And a very special thank you to all the guys who have listened to this, because I know this can be very weird for you at first, but yeah, better late than never. Yes, that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to Yours Truly by Ananya. And yes, last year has been great. You guys have loved my podcast so much, with the number of audience that I have gained, with the number of plays that you have played. Thank you so much. Like, I can't thank you enough, definitely. So all your love, please keep sharing all your love, because that's what will keep me driving to do more of such episodes. And I really enjoy doing it for you, because I get good responses from you as well. You can directly DM me on Not Ananya Pandey if you really want me to discuss on a particular topic. And I'm quite active on Instagram, so I'll definitely reply back. And yes, मुझे थोड़ा time लग सकता है, because I have to research and everything. And if I get a lot of good content on that particular topic, I'll definitely share it on my podcast. So yes, thank you so much. Happy 2021. Love yourself, love your family, work towards your goal, keep hustling, because you're stronger than you know. So yes, love you. We'll be back with another episode on Yours Truly by Ananya.